How to fix Pokémon TCG Pocket Authentication error code. Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Pokémon TCG Pocket Authentication error code with different methods. So, let's start the video. So first, many people use VPN to use the Pokémon TCG, but that does not work because Pokémon TCG Pocket has specific server of specific region. So that's why VPN caused the issue of the login error. So just don't use VPN while using Pokémon TCG Pocket. Now, method number 2, just turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn on, because sometimes our Wi-Fi may cause temporary restrictions. Then try to log in. This will work. If not, then turn on airplane mode and wait for few seconds and then disable airplane mode. And then try again to log in the Pokémon TCG Pocket. That will work. If not, the next method. Go to Play Store or Apple Store if you are on iPhone. Search Pokémon TCG Pocket and make sure that the app is up to date. If the app isn't updated, you'll see the option of Update instead of Play. Just update your app and try again to log in the Pokémon TCG Pocket. And if these all methods didn't work, just wait, because sometimes Pokémon TCG Pocket server gets down because of maintenance or after game releases new update. So this is how you can fix Pokémon TCG Pocket authentication error code. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe the channel for more videos.